Firstly, open video editing software. You can use any video editor. Now you need those 3 files. First, your gameplay video, any video. Second, green screen video. Download link is given description. Third, Sugar Crash music download link in description. Now bring it to the timeline. And now cut specific part you want to show on the video. Add freeze frame in the part where you want to put the Sugar Crash effect. Now adjust song, gameplay video and green screen. Do as I do. The video looks something like this. Sound is mute because of copyright, sorry.
Just let me fall to my grave.